Well, so we have another one, and this time we are still here at the same location because I just noticed we have a couple more coming. I guess after the one here, we'll go up to 295. All right, and see what happens there. And here he comes. He's gonna be moving awfully fast again, I think. So enjoy this video once again. Oh, there they go. Now, is he gonna end up honking his horn again? He wasn't supposed to, right? On that one train? That's it? Man, so many short trains here today. Would you agree?
Yep.
It wasn't as long. We got a red and a green. And we still got a red at the next crossing. Huh. What is with all of these trains on a Saturday? I hardly ever had these many. Well, and that's Chicago line, yes. Well, that's it. For right